Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Aquarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Aquarius gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So Aquarius, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Aquarius, somebody was dealing with somebody very immature here. Bottom of my deck is the Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So somebody who really didn't bring balance to this connection, didn't put in any work. There was no balance, no equal give and take, maybe lied. This person is quite unhappy though. They're trying to manifest a new beginning, it seems. They feel all their wishes hopes are dashed now. But the overall energy center of my spread is this Knight of Wands in reverse, which means a person who's very, very immature, brings a lot of trouble to your life, basically. Aquarius, I hope this is not you, but this is somebody who is not a match to this Queen of Pentacles, that's for sure. Okay, so I don't know what's going on here. Let's start with some dialogue message cards, then we'll clarify these cards as well. So Aquarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person. If they could say something to each other, spirit. Okay. And I'm going to take a couple more from here. Aquarius and their person. Okay, that's enough, I think. All right, Aquarius, let's begin your reading. The first card here says, "It drives me crazy how you manage to read my mind and hijack my thoughts. How do you know everything? I can't hide anything from you." Yes, this immature person has been, I think, lying, cheating, sneaking, seeking away, or doing things on the side. But this Queen of Pentacles, I think, is much wiser. And they feel a bit afraid. They feel, I get caught each time. "I know that you stalk me on social media, use other sources to gather information about me after you've chosen to ghost me. It's so not cool. If you want to know anything about my life, you should step up and be involved in it and not be, like this little boy who's, immature and doing sneaky stuff. And never bringing, equal to the connection. There's no equal balance. There's no equal give and take. It irritates me that you mock my spirituality when I'm doing everything I can to learn and grow and become a better person. You tease me, you make fun of my beliefs, and I find that very hurtful as you're unwilling to even talk with me about them." Again, immature behavior. "I'm your not so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. I'm planning a surprise engagement. I want to ask you to marry me. Will you say yes? I'm stuck in my pride and ego, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know, see, I told you, foolish behavior. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. I want to hold you and never let you go. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over." See, I told you somebody wants to have a fresh new beginning, even though all hope is actually lost in this connection, according to them. There's somebody who doesn't want to make a decision or hasn't made a decision. We'll figure it out. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time for? Alright, so Aquarius, if this seems like your story, let's start your reading. But before that, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Mother. Somebody wants nurturing and caring and wants somebody to mother them, it seems. This very, very juvenile energy, as I would like to call them, is looking at this Queen of Pentacles to be the stable one, I think, from what I'm feeling. Alright, so here we go. Okay, what's this Temperance in reverse, Spirit? Temperance in reverse. Yes, again, very rash behavior, speaking without thinking, dipping in and out of, people's lives, and sometimes here, sometimes there, not thinking about what they're doing or saying, being very rash and rapid and not stopping to think. So this is the kind of behavior I think somebody's been dealing with, and that's bringing a lot of imbalance to this connection. This doesn't seem like an equal match somehow to me, Aquarius. I don't know who this is, but whoever this person is a very impatient energy. They're trying to manifest a Queen of Pentacles in their life. Magician. Somebody is not happy in this equation. I don't know who this is. Somebody's wishes have not come true. They're feeling broken-hearted and trying to manifest. What are they trying to manifest, Spirit, with the Queen of Pentacles? What are they trying to manifest? Oh, somebody has maybe been a bit rash in the past and brought imbalance to this connection, Aquarius. Now the same person is manifesting an equal partnership. Now they want that equal give and take. They're not happy. They know that they've done something to break this feminine's heart. They see this Queen of Pentacles to be the Empress. They want this person forever and ever after. And they're realizing all their mistakes, they're realizing what they've done, and they are trying to somehow manifest or pray that, we can get back together, we can have this equal give and take now. One card for the Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. Queen of Pentacles, yes, you guys had some tower moment. You guys had some tower moment where this Queen of Pentacles, I think, held back and started focusing on themselves, on their money, and they did a great job because they emerged as the Empress, from what I feel. And this was all because they were strong and willing to take care of themselves after whatever tower moment hit here. So, Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, there could have been a conflict. There could have been some competition, some fighting, some conflict where things really became imbalanced because this person was unable to, maybe was being a bit emotionally manipulative or not revealing their true emotions, basically playing games with this Queen of Pentacles who they didn't realize is actually an Empress. Knight of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Knight of Wands in reverse. Now this person is, I think, tired of their own behavior. They don't want to be like this anymore, maybe. They want to choose one path. They want to choose one path where, they don't have to be at crossroads forever. But I don't think this person has come forward with an apology or any love offer. They are still kind of, I think they have a fear of commitment. They have a fear of commitment, still not a very balanced connection. Except that, yes, they could be a person who brings a lot of happiness and joy otherwise, but they're still not ready for the commitment. Right now, I don't think you guys are talking to each other, Aquarius, maybe not even messaging each other or anything like that. And somebody is feeling this is all over, and, I've lost my chance now. So what's this Fool card, Spirit? What's this Fool card? Somebody wants to begin again. Somebody does want to start something new. They're very obsessive about this passionate new beginning, but they're a bit afraid, I think, that this Queen of Pentacles will not be allowing them back in, or maybe, you know, or they don't want to take responsibility. I don't know. What's the Star card, Spirit, in reverse? Yes, they see this Queen of Pentacles as very self-sufficient now, and they have been a liar, I think, in the past. Their lies has been caught, I think, and now they don't have any clarity as to what to say, how to move this forward. They don't know what decision to make, and as much as they want to change this or transform it, right now, I think they feel this is ended, and there's no way that there's any forward chance for me. They feel they are dealing with bad luck now, that maybe there's no working together anymore, or maybe some truth came out about something that they were doing. Yes, this person feels that whatever games they played, it's backfired on them. They feel there's no chance that I'll ever get another chance now to go back to this person, to this Empress. So what's this Eight of Pentacles, Spirit? Yeah, because this Empress doesn't trust them anymore. This Empress has now her guard up, is very upset and angry with them, and has her boundaries very well set in place. So I don't think this person knows now. Even though they want to go back, they know, they've behaved very immaturely. They've never brought anything to the table. And this Empress is not willing to be their mother. Okay? One more, Spirit? One more? Yes, I think this person is going to be, right now, at least for this weekend, they're going to be feeling totally abandoned and left out in the cold. This Empress is not playing games anymore. Yes, they could have hoped that this connection could have been good and they could be the King of Pentacles or the Queen of Pentacles, but because of this kind of behavior and the suffering this Queen of Pentacles, the ungrounded feeling that they've got, they've struggled and they've become a better version of themselves now, and they're guarding themselves big time. They're not willing to move towards any emperor in reverse. They want an emperor upright, not somebody who's going to be a false emperor and try and keep them under control or anything. This Empress is now looking out to see what else is out there. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Hope it helped. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.